Thinking of buying a power drill or driver? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, choosing the right tool can make all the difference in your projects. But with so many options on the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. From battery life and torque to grip comfort and speed settings, there are several factors to weigh before making a purchase. Let's dive into what you should consider to ensure you pick the perfect drill driver for your needs. In the first place, you need to think about the power source that will run the drill, whether it's corded or cordless. When choosing between a corded or cordless power drill, it's important to consider your work environment and preferences. Corded drills offer continuous power as long as they're plugged in, making them more powerful and ideal for heavy-duty tasks. However, their mobility is limited by the cord length, which can be inconvenient for outdoor or remote work. On the other hand, cordless drills are powered by rechargeable batteries, offering more flexibility and portability, especially for areas where electrical outlets are hard to come by. They come in various voltages, with higher voltages providing more power and longer battery life. The downside is that they may need recharging during extended use, so checking battery life is key. But for most DIY projects, a cordless drill is usually the more practical choice because of its convenience and ease of use. A sturdy outer casing made from strong materials such as metal or reinforced plastic can protect against injuries if the drill is dropped. Additionally, drills with effective cooling systems are essential for preventing overheating, which could lead to potential fire hazards or burns. When choosing a drill, comfort is also a key, especially if you'll be using it for a long time. A heavy drill can wear you out, and an awkward handle might cause discomfort or even injury. Make sure the drill feels balanced and has a grip that won't strain your hand. Also, if you need to work in cramped spaces, a smaller, more compact drill might be a better choice for easier handling. For comfort, look for drills with vibration dampening to reduce strain on your hands and wrists, as well as lower noise levels to protect your hearing, especially if you'll be working in noisy settings. Next, you should keep an eye on both the voltage and battery type. The voltage typically ranges from 3.6 volt to 18 volt, with some heavy-duty models offering even more power. The higher the voltage, the more power the motor has, allowing it to handle tougher materials. Low-voltage drills are lightweight and perfect for lighter tasks like assembling furniture or driving screws into softwood. Mid-range models are versatile enough for general home projects, while high-voltage ones are designed for professional work or tougher jobs, such as drilling into concrete or metal. Also, most modern drills use lithium-ion batteries, which are lighter, longer-lasting, and charge faster than the older nickel-cadmium ones, making them more convenient for quick use. The chuck is the part of the drill that holds the drill or screwdriver bit, and its size and type determine which bits you can use. Common chuck sizes are 1x4 inch, 3x8 inch, and 1/2 inch. Larger chucks work with bigger, more powerful bits, which are needed for tougher materials like concrete or steel, while smaller chucks are fine for lighter tasks. There are two types: keyed chucks, which require a special key to tighten and secure the bit, and keyless chucks, which can be tightened or loosened by hand, making them faster and more convenient for lighter work. For most people, a 3x8 inch keyless chuck offers a good balance of ease and performance. After that, the speed and torque settings on a power drill driver play a key role in how well it performs. Speed controls how fast the drill spins, while torque determines how much rotational force it applies. Having variable speed settings lets you adjust the drill's speed for different materials. Slower speeds are ideal for driving screws, and higher speeds work better for drilling holes. Torque settings let you control the force used when driving screws, which is helpful for larger screws or tougher materials. Look for a drill that lets you adjust both speed and torque so you can handle a range of tasks easily. If you are conscious about injury, you can check the safety features. Generally, good drills include the chuck guard chuck lock, which ensures the chuck stays securely in place during use to avoid dangerous situations if the drill bit dislodges unexpectedly. Additionally, many drills are equipped with overload protection systems that automatically stop the drill when it's overloaded, helping to prevent overheating or electrical failures. Finally, the price of the power drill driver should align with your budget and the features you need. Higher-end models may offer more power, better battery life, and additional features, but they often come at a premium price. It's essential to balance quality with cost and choose a drill that provides the best value for your needs. Additionally, consider the warranty offered by the manufacturer. A good warranty can provide peace of mind, especially if you're investing in a more expensive model. So these are the facts you can consider before buying a power drill or driver. Hope you find this helpful. Subscribe and stay tuned for more amazing updates.